In this video, we have been given that ABCD is a square and AB is 8. AP is equal to AQ is equal to PQ. Then we have to find area of APQ. So, in triangle APQ, it is A, P, Q. We have AP is equal to AQ is equal to PQ. That means it will be equilateral triangle. So these angles, they will be 60 degrees. So this angle, it is 60 degrees. And now we know that ABCD is a square. That means this angle, it will be 90 degrees. This angle, it will be 90 degrees. And now in triangle ABP and triangle ADQ, we have angle ABP is equal to angle ADQ, that is 90 degrees, and AB, it is equal to AD, and AP, it is equal to AQ. So triangle ABP, it will be congruent to triangle ADQ. Hence angle BAP, it will be equal to angle DAQ, that will be equal to, and we know that this angle is 90 degrees. So it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees over 2, and it is 30 degrees over 2, that will be 15 degrees. So this angle, it is 15 degrees, and this angle, it is 15 degrees. And now in triangle BAP, cos 15 degrees, it will be AB over AP, and cos 15 degrees, it is equal to AB is 8 over AP. So AP, it will be 8 over cos 15 degrees, and cos 15 degrees, it is cos 45 degrees minus 30 degrees, that will be cos 45 degrees times cos 30 degrees plus sin 45 degrees times sin 30 degrees, and it is 1 over root 2 times root 3 over 2 plus 1 over root 2 times 1 over 2. That will be root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. So AP, it is 8 over, and cos 15 degrees, it is root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. And AP, it will be 8 times 2 root 2 over root 3 plus 1, and it is 16 root 2 over root 3 plus 1. And we get AP is 16 root 2 over root 3 plus 1, and area of equilateral triangle, it is root 3 over 4 times side square. So area of APQ, it will be root 3 over 4 times side is AP square, and it is root 3 over 4 times AP is 16 root 2 over root 3 plus 1 square. And it is root 3 over 4 times 16 square times root 2 square over root 3 plus 1 square. And it is root 3 over 4 times 256 times 2 over, and this will be root 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 times root 3 times 1, and 4 times 64 is 256. So it is root 3 times 64 times 2 over 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, and it is 128 root 3 over 4 plus 2 root 3, and it is 128 root 3 over, and here we can take 2 common, and it is 2 plus root 3, and 2 times 64 is 128. So it is 64 root 3 over 2 plus root 3, and if we multiply it with 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus root 3, then we know that a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. So it will be 64 root 3 times 2 minus root 3 over, and this will be 2 square minus root 3 square, and it is 64 root 3 times 2 minus 64 root 3 times root 3 over 4 minus 3, and it is 128 root 3 minus 64 times 3. It will be 192 over 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 128 root 3 minus 192. It is 128 root 3 minus 192